Hello everyone, I am Navnath. Today I will explain you containment. Containment means making the relationship between two classes. For the better understanding of containment, we take a simple example. Consider class A and class B. Class A have some property and data and class B also have some data. When we make class A object of a class B, then class A authority to acquire all property of class B. This is a relation between class A and class B. Take another real time example. Take a one teacher class and take another student class. When we make student class object in teacher class, then teacher class acquire all the property of the student class. This is a containment. In containment, some relation type are used. Is a relation, has a relation. Is a relation means inheritance. In inheritance, is a relation are used. Inheritance means one class extend another class. By extending another class have authority to take all the property of the his super class. For the inheritance, we use the extend keyword. By using extend keyword, compiler give the authority to acquire his property of the another class. Has a relation also called as a has a relation also called it is a does not depend each other. Take an example of bank. In bank, customer class and bank class are available. When the customer don't go in bank, then bank will not close. Bank continues its functionality. It is a has a relation. Rather than is a relation, the class does not depend each other. When one class close, then another class will be continue its functionality. In containment, we make relation between two classes. When we make relation between two classes and this class in main method we create object and we can call this class. When we call this class, one class have acquired all the property of the another class. When we make another class object in the main class, this is all about the containment. Thank you all of.